Hey everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to clean up storage space on your iMac, your Mac, or your MacBook Air. So let's get into the video. So if you're running out of hard drive space and you want to find out which types of files, documents, pictures, programs are taking the most storage, the first thing you want to do is come over here to the left, click on your Apple icon, and go to System Settings. Once you go to System Settings, click over here on Search and just go to Storage. Click on storage, and as you can see, I've got 993 gig out of 1 terabyte used, 1.15. And right now it's showing me that my documents folder is consuming the most amount of space. The second one is applications, but it's documents. Now, if I wanted to delete some documents, I could come over to the little eye icon, click on it, and now it's going to look at the large files. And now what I can do is I could decide I can either move it to off storage, to a cold storage device, or I can just simply delete it. So I could scroll down and I could see what kind this is. You could see what kind. And one thing that I find handy is the size. If you're looking for the largest size files, then you come over here and start to delete them. One thing that I like to do is do last access, because usually if I haven't accessed a file in quite a long time, most likely I don't need it. So I'm just going to click on last access, and then I'm going to scroll down and sort, and you can see some of these are dated from 2021. So now what I want to do is go through these and either put them in cold storage or just simply highlight and just click on delete. Now you can delete it. And now that once you've deleted all of these files, the first thing you want to do is come over to, so you want to come over here to Finder, and you just want to go to empty trash. And then what you want to do is come back to System Settings, come over to Storage, and then just see how the volume is doing or how much space you have left. So that's it for the video. Again, like always, if you enjoyed the video, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment, and I'll see you in the next one.